Hello, uncle. Yeah, someone broke into the house and took everything. So I want to take it back.
Yeah, we will after I
They
drink.
even took your beer.
What? Go and find them now.
Yo, bro, I just got a girl too. Really? Yeah. Okay, let's sit down and talk about it. Okay. Yeah, bro, she's the angel you'll never see. Hey, what's up, bros? Yo, bro, my boy just got a girl now. People like this don't get girls. Look at him, he's a joke. What? I got a number, I can prove it. Okay, fine. Give me the number so I can ask him. Okay, fine. Hey, wait a second. You think I'm stupid? What? Hello?
Oh, did you find them with my pay? Speak now.
I want to look for them.
Go, what are you waiting for? Go find them now.